Okay, it's a very warm evening from Amsterdam. We are at Money 2020. My name is Jan Robert Schutte, and I have the honor to speak with Sir Henry Chen.
Hi.
And you're living actually in California,
Yes.
and you are founder of Lenovo and
Yes.
also CEO actually. And could you explain also what you're doing with the company?
Right. So Cynovo is a next generation smart POS platform, and what we do is we actually combine the traditional way of payment to the next generation data. So all the payment link with the data with the customer, you know, um, you know, s- supply management and the SaaS on the back. So people will know what they're selling, how they're selling. If this is a trading platform, people will know they actually have, you know, done something that it can be decentralized or centralized. So I came to this Money 2020 to try to understand what is the current state of a payment and what is the crypto payments future. So
And also, did you have also some insights what your company can contribute with
yes,
your solution?
sure, sure. No, so this solution will be linked with customers, um, merchant, with the interfacing of the client who they will be purchasing will be buying food, buying the merchandise, and what it is it will help people had provide the best payment solutions that they whether they have the QR code or whether they have the NFC, whether they have whatever payment method they will be having. So this
You
will
have
take it.
really a device now. Is it a kind of demonstration you can
Yeah,
give?
well, just simply, when you
Okay.
have you brought a car, if it's an NFC, will be tap on this.
Yes.
If it's an IC card, will be um, insert there.
Yes.
And if it's a swipe of a magnetic strip,
Okay.
it can still work. On the back, this is a QR code.
Yes.
So this will allow people to initializing the small business payment. Also, will probably will be a good trading block.
And it is for a merchant, for instance.
Right, this is
I mean,
for a
it's
merchant,
not
yes.
as a client. Don't need to work with this.
Yeah, yeah. But
Uh-huh.
so this will work with the client's phone.
Yes.
So if you have some kind of a interaction with this one, it will be easier for people to adjust whether they have the car or they have the phone, they have the any future medium that they need to interact with
Yes.
this client, this device.
And the Cynovo is Cynovo.
Yeah,
Cynovo.
CYNOVO, meaning on the cyberspace, we're the innovators.
Ah, okay.
And
Yeah.
this company was founded in Silicon Valley, and we have offices both in China and in the United States. And
Yes.
we are actually in collaborations with the new future platform people, so that this will be uh, generating some kind of a traffic for blockchain technology, and for the people who apply the blockchain technology to be able to allow the future trainings to be generated through this decentralized network. So this could be used as well as a trading platform at the same time.
And for instance, we are also in talk with, for instance, kind of exchanges where you can, as a private investor, you can buy cryptos.
Right.
Can you also Sinova function as a gateway,
That's right.
as a
That's right.
PSP, for instance,
That's
where you
right.
said something else? Huh?
Right. So the goal is to allow this device to be able to trade any currency or digital currency or fan currency of your choice, and we will provide the technology, but doesn't mean that we will be participating in any of those ICOs at this moment. But we are very keen to use this technology to bridge the traditional finance and the future payment. So-
Okay, and we have a big audience of crypto traders. Um, What kind of area they can find Sinova? What could
Yeah,
you do
so
for them?
sure. So for the digital currency ones, this is everything transact on this one is a digital anyway. So there's no cash draw for the machine. So this was built for the next generation currency, and whether it's legalized or regulated, that's an issue for the government. But for the technology-wise, this will be a free trading platform for all the cryptocurrencies, as well as the regular currencies, and that eventually people will use this as a test bed to initialize the next generation's trading, and that this will be on the go trading, and will be on people's merchants' desktop, that so that they can probably do as they go and without be sitting at the desktop.
Okay, and then are you also, then I think also, yeah, if I'm with an exchange already, then it's easier to trade with an app, or what is the difference?
Right, so the app will be installed in this one, and the app will be working with the client and the customer, so that it will be decentralized, so the DApp will be able to install to this. So this will act as a decentralized platform, and will allow some kind of a electronic contract to be signed, and any other scenario that might need a face-to-face interaction, or some party would do some other activity on the side that need this, face recognition as well.
Okay, it's very interesting. And which customers you are attracting actually? Which clients are you at this moment looking for?
Right. So we actually try to talk with the blockchain technology people, community people, try to make this as a hardware and software platform. And also we're working with merchants who has that digital needs.
Yes.
Yeah.
And your company is already how many years are already?
So
in
the
business?
company has been in this business for 10 years. So
10
we're
years.
not like a empty project
No.
company.
And then how much revenue is it on a yearly basis?
Yeah, this is secret, but we are making good monies.
Okay. You're
Not public yet.
you're not
So
public.
we are using this opportunity right now to come to face-to-face with Money 2020 people, to be able to find more way of making the company on the better revenue stream, and making this company be the linkage between the traditional legacy and the future of money.
Okay, well, it's very good. And do you also recommend this Money 2020 also to other participants?
Yes, this is a great place.
Is it more business to business or also for private investors?
Yeah, this is I suggest also the private investors and the private, developers of those fintech technology people to come to the show. There's a lot of traditional legacy people here, but also there's some new money people here.
Yeah.
And I learned quite a lot, and we attract a lot of people to collaborate with us. So this is definitely a fun place to be. And Europe was the founding continents for the trading, and I hope the new trading, this is where it's also launches. So Amsterdam is supposed to be the place for that.
Well, thanks very much, actually, Henry, and good luck with your quest.
Sure. So thanks for inviting me.
Thank you.
Bye bye.
And have a nice time in Amsterdam. And
Sure. I'll stop by.
good evening. So go to
Bye-bye.
Cynovo.com
Yes.
through and cryptocacademy.nl. Ciao.
Thank you. Bye bye. Good. Wow.